So if insurance wasn't complicated enough, let's throw in how you are rated as an e-com seller. So there is so much that goes into your rating. So the biggest factors are what you're selling, where you're selling, how you're sourcing, and even down to the state/country that you live in. So the biggest category on how you're rated is what you're selling. What you're selling is the most important because it is all about risk. And insurance is all about what is the potential that this is going to have a claim. So if I'm selling something as simple as like a guitar pick, what is the rate on that versus if I'm selling cosmetics? So the lower the risk, the lower the price. The higher the risk, the higher the price. So just remember, it's all about what that product is and how that product can hurt somebody else. The next biggest factor is how much you're selling. The more you sell, the more sales you have, the more you're putting those products into the hands of the consumers. That's going to raise your price. If I'm selling $1,000 a year, my policy is going to be cheaper than if I'm selling $10 million a year because I'm putting more products into the hands of the consumers. So what you're selling and where you're, how much you're selling are one of the biggest factors. Then we go into down to the state you're selling at. Remember, insurance companies know everything. They know exactly down to the block of where claims are happening. So places like New York and California are going to have higher rates than Indiana. So keep that in mind too. Where your business is also has something to do with it. Then they look at where those products are sourced. If they're sourced in a third world country where there aren't safety requirement laws and things like that, it's going to be more expensive than if it was made here in the USA. So just kind of keep those in mind. If you have any other questions on how you are rated, please feel free to let us know. But I just wanted to kind of explain that situation to you so you had a little bit better understanding. So if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.